Do you want to know how you can delete your Bing account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Bing account or your Microsoft account. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now, go to your account settings, click on your profile and go to settings. Now click on privacy and you can see delete account option. Go ahead and click delete account, which is on your phone. It will lead you to this page where you can press continue, and after a while you can see that if you scroll down you can click continue with closing your account, and then scroll more down and click continue and click and close your account. Now go ahead and verify your identity. Write down your email address with which you have logged into your Bing account. Write down your password and click delete account, and this way your account will be deleted. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can delete your Bing account. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Click on your profile and then go to settings. Now go to privacy and click delete account. Scroll down and press continue. Wait for a while, scroll down again until you find continue with closing your account. Click on continue with closing your account, scroll down and you will find how to delete my account, or just click on continue with closing your account and click on go to close your account. Now what you need to do is verify your identity. So go ahead and write down your email address over here, press send code. A code will be sent to your email. Click the code and then you are eligible to delete your Bing account or your Microsoft account. I hope this video about how you can delete your Bing account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.